Hey Mom, let's go over the cottage cooking. Let's see if they've something good for us. Looks like I smell bird seeds. Oh yeah, right on the tree.
Well, where do you think it's coming from? What's the plan?
I don't know. Let's see how it goes. They are having a rope and a tide and pulley and everything. Yep, got it.
Wow, I trained you well.
I didn't have to climb the tree. I feel lazy tonight.
It's pretty good quality stuff they have here, too.
Oh, this is delicious. Every time we come here, we love it. Okay, what's next? Any more of this stuff?
I love a good picnic in the middle of the night.
Cottage cooking always do the best for the customers.
I wonder if they have anything in their trash. Maybe some salmon skin or shrimp shells?
I don't know, go and take a look.
I will. I'm headed over there now.
Any luck? Anything good?
I'm gonna stick with the bird seed. It doesn't look like they did any fish or anything tonight. Maybe next time.
Can't believe that. Okay, I'm done here.
Well, I just got a couple more scraps I want to investigate. And then we'll come back again.
Okay, let's go to the next one. See ya.